This is a quick walkthrough of Putler, a powerful analytics tool that gives you clarity and control over your e-commerce or subscription business. Whether you run a single store or multiple ones, Putler brings all your data into one place, clean, consolidated, and ready for action. Right now, I've got one Shopify and one WooCommerce store connected. I can view them separately or switch to this combined view to see the full picture. Let's dive in. Get a real-time pulse of your business. This is the home dashboard. Think of it as your daily command center. Right up top is the pulse section, a real-time snapshot of your current net sales, along with a goal tracker to show how close you are to hitting your monthly targets. Next is a live activity feed. Orders, refunds, disputes, everything as it happens. Scroll down to the overview section and instantly spot revenue trends, top-performing products, best customers, disputes, and traffic. All updated based on the selected date range. Sales Dashboard, your business accountant. The Sales Dashboard breaks down your performance like a pro accountant. You'll see net sales, orders, average order value, revenue per sale, sales trends over time. One standout is the sales heat map. It shows your most active days and hours, making it easy to spot patterns so you can easily optimize the timing of your next marketing campaign. There's also detailed info on MRR, churn, refunds, and a list of all transactions, fully filterable by product, location, status, and more. And if your accountant needs a CSV of the sales for any particular period, that's possible too. Know what products are driving revenue. Next, the Products Dashboard. You'll instantly see top-selling products, quantity sold, one-time versus recurring, fastest movers. One key aspect: Putler applies the Pareto principle, automatically starring the 20% of products that bring in 80% of your revenue. You can then click on them and view their performance over time, spot frequently bought together items, plan upsell, view how variations perform, and a lot more. The product filters let you slice the data by category, time, and more. Ideal for inventory planning or campaign targeting. Understand your customers inside out. Let's move to the Customers Dashboard. You'll see your top customers, new versus returning, and refund trends, plus a breakdown chart. Putler also does automatic RFM segmentation, categorizing customers into groups like champions, loyal, at risk, inactive, and more. Click any segment and all dashboard data updates to focus on that group. Below, you've got a downloadable customer list, and each customer card shows their entire journey: purchases, lifetime value, location, and more. Naturally, it's all filterable. The Transactions Dashboard is your ledger. Every transaction is listed with details: revenue, taxes, fees. Click any row to get the full breakdown. It's filterable by transaction type, product, location, and status. And yes, the list is downloadable. Subscription metrics. If you run a subscription business, this is a game changer. The Subscriptions Dashboard shows your MRR, churn, ARPPU, LTV. All automatically calculated. No formulas, no setup. Putler handles it for you. Forecast growth and discover insights. Now for some smart planning tools. The Time Machine Dashboard helps you simulate future growth. Just input your current revenue, growth rate, and churn, and see where your business could be heading. The built-in 10x formula shows what you'd need to hit your revenue goals, be it more traffic, better conversion, or higher ARPU. The Audience Dashboard shows simplified web stats: real-time visitors, top referrers, devices, landing pages, no need to dig through GA. Or try Putler's own Web Analytics Dashboard, a lightweight GA alternative showing visits, UTM tracking, bounce rates, sources, and more, without the clutter. Spot insights and make informed decisions. Holiday season is a key revenue-making period for most businesses. So Putler helps analyze past holiday season trends so you can apply the insights and make the upcoming holiday season a bigger success. Instantly compare holiday trends year on year and spot insights like best performing holiday, top selling products, new versus returning revenue, and more. Another key feature is the performance comparison, your go-to tool for benchmarking success. Choose any 2 time periods, last month versus the same month last year, pre- and post-launch, etc. Compare metrics like revenue, orders, traffic, and ARPU side by side in intuitive charts and tables. Easily identify where you've accelerated growth or lost ground, and importantly, why. The best part, you can use this feature to compare multiple businesses, multiple websites, stores, different data sources, and more. All the metrics that matter in a single snapshot. Bonus: clean, enriched data. A big win with Putler is the data quality. It doesn't just pull raw data, it cleans, deduplicates, standardizes currencies and time zones, and even enriches customer data with locations. So what you see is always real-time, reliable, and ready to act on. And that's your quick tour of Putler. It's fast, flexible, and actually fun to use. Whether you want to grow sales, improve customer loyalty, or just finally understand what's really happening in your business, Putler gives you the clarity you need. You can start a free trial or just explore the demo. Thanks for watching.